Okay, today we are going to discuss about second year, second book, standard questions. So 50 questions I'm giving. So try to check your ability. First question, if C is critical angle, then sin C formula in terms of refractive index of two media and velocity of light in the two media and wavelength of the light in two media. Second question, a fish is underwater at a depth h. Mu is the refractive index of water. What is the circular radius of the circular horizon through which the fish can see the outside world? Third one, lateral shift in a glass slab of thickness T. Lateral shift formula. Fourth one, launching angle in optical fiber, launching angle formula. Mu2 is a refractive index of core, mu1 is a refractive index of cladding. Next, fifth one, refractive index of the material of the prism in terms of angle of minimum deviation delta m and angle of prism A. Just a refractive index formula. Sixth one, dispersive power is defined as a dispersive power formula. And if mu violet, mu red or refractive index of violet color and red color, then dispersive power another formula. Next, eighth one, two lenses separated by a distance d, their focal powers p1, p2, then equivalent power how much? Ninth one, astronomical telescope is in a normal adjustment position. What is magnifying power? What is the length of the telescope? 10th one, in a terrestrial telescope, one more lens known as erecting lens we can use. What is length of a terrestrial telescope in normal adjustment position? 11th one, what is the relation between phase difference and path difference? If phase difference is d5, path difference is dx, what is the relation between them? 12th one, I1, I2 are the intensities of two light waves. In a phase angle between them is phi. They interfered. What is the expression for resultant intensity? 13th one, bandwidth beta formula in terms of capital D, that is the distance of the screen and the distance between the two slits and wavelength lambda. 14th one, resolving power of microscope formula. 15th one, Brevister's law, mu and polarizing angle relation, Brevister's law. 16th, Malus law, I naught is unpolarized light intensity and phi is angle between polarizer and analyzer. Then Malus law, according to Malus law, the intensity of light coming out is. 17th one, polarizer and analyzer are kept perpendicular to one another, and a light ray is passing through polarizer and analyzer, and one more polarizer is kept in between first polarizer and analyzer, and it is making an angle theta. Then the intensity of light coming out is. 18th one, light rays having wavelength lambda in a astronomically the angstrom unit. Then energy of the photon in terms of electron volt, energy of the incident photon in terms of electron volt. 19th one, stopping potential, expression for stopping potential in terms of frequency of incident light nu and work function phi. 20th one, stopping potential and kinetic energy relation. What is the relation between stopping potential and kinetic energy of emitted electron? 21st one, de Broglie wavelength of a charged particle moving in electric field having potential difference V. 22nd one, the wavelength of de Broglie wavelength of electron and wavelength of photon are equal. Then kinetic energy of electron to the kinetic energy of the photon. 23rd one, de Broglie wavelength of electron passing through neutron, de Broglie wavelength of proton passing through a potential difference, electric field of potential difference V. 24th one, in hydrogen spectral series, the lambda is the wavelength of the light emitting when when electron jumped from orbit n2 to orbit n1, then the relation, that is wave number formula. 25th one, distance of closest approach, a charged particle moving with speed v stopped by the nucleus. D is the distance of closest approach, then the relation. 26th one, radius of orbit of electron revolving in nth orbit. Radius of the orbit formula for in nth orbit of any material, not only hydrogen, for any one. 27th one, velocity of electron in nth orbit formula. 28th one, electron revolving in hydrogen nucleus in nth orbit, then its total energy formula. 29th one, time period of revolving electron in nth orbit formula. 30th one, according to second postulate of the Bohr, angular momentum mvr is equal to how much? 31st one, what is the radius of the nucleus? Radius of the nucleus in terms of mass number. 32, mass defect formula. Z is atomic number, A is mass number, then mass defect formula if total mass of the nucleus is capital M. Suppose mass defect is delta M, what is the formula for binding energy to get answer in MeV? 34th one, neutron outside the nucleus is unstable, so it becomes proton, electron and some particle. So what is the expression for neutron becoming proton and electron? 35th one, the nuclear fission, what is the reaction of the uranium nucleus 92-235 bombarded with neutron? 36th one, after T time, number of atoms present N, initial number N naught, then what is relation between N and N naught? 37th one, power of the nuclear reactor, expression for power of the nuclear reactor. 38th one, half-wave rectifier efficiency, expression for efficiency of the half-wave rectifier. 39th one, what is the relation between base current, collector current, emitter current in a transistor? 40th one, current gain in a common emitter configuration and current gain in common base configuration formulas. 41, suppose pure semiconductor, the electrons holes ratio is equal, and that is N, number of electrons and holes present, concentration of electrons and holes. In extrinsic semiconductors, N is concentration of electrons, NH is concentration of the holes. What is the relation between them? 42nd one, what is the expression for voltage gain in a transistor? 43, power gain expression. 44, in Zener diode, Zener diode acting as a voltage regulator, the current through Zener diode expression in terms of current through series resistor and current through load resistor. According to de Morgan theorems, 45th question, A plus B bar is equal to how much? 46th one, A dot B bar how much? 47th one, efficiency of the full wave rectifier. Efficiency of the full wave rectifier. 48th one, height of the antenna is HT, capital R is the radius of the earth, then the maximum distance covered by the antenna and maximum distance covered by the antenna. 49th one, what is the area covered by that antenna? Area covered by using that antenna. 50th one, in a modulated wave, amplitude of the message wave is AM and the carrier wave is AC, then modulation index, expression for modulation index. So these are the 50 questions in second book of second year, and these are the basic formulas or standard questions. Okay, so now check your answers. Critical angle is C, then sin C is equal to refractive index of rarer by refractive index of denser, or velocity of light in denser by velocity of light in rarer, or wavelength of the light in denser by wavelength of the light in rarer. The radius of the circular horizon through which the fish can see outside world is h by root of mu square minus 1. Third one, normal shift, lateral shift x is equal to t into sin I minus r by cos r. Fourth one, launching angle IL is less than or equal to sin inverse root of mu 2 square minus mu 1 square, where mu 2 is refractive index of core. Refractive index of the material of the prism mu is equal to sin of a plus delta m by 2 by sin a by 2. Sixth one, dispersive power defined as the ratio of angular dispersion between two colors and angle of deviation of mean color, small d by capital D. Seventh one, dispersive power formula, refractive index of violet minus refractive index of red by mu minus 1. Mu is the average refractive index, mu violet plus mu red by 2. When two lenses separated by some distance, the equivalent power P is equal to P1 plus P2 minus D P1 P2. In a normal adjustment position, length of the telescope L is equal to FO plus FE, magnifying power M is equal to FO by FE. Terrestrial telescope length is FO plus FE plus 4F, where F is focal length of a rectangle lens in a normal adjustment position. 11th one, phase difference between phase difference and path difference relation d phi is equal to dx by lambda into 2 pi. 12th one, resultant intensity when two waves interfere, I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos phi, where phi is phase angle. 13th one, bandwidth or fringe width beta is equal to d lambda by small d. 14th one, refractive resolving power of microscope is 2 mu sin theta by 1.22 lambda. 2 mu sin theta by 1.22 lambda. 15th one, according to Brewster's law, mu is equal to tan IP. IP is polarizing angle. 16th one, Malus law, I is equal to I naught by 2 cos square phi. Phi is the angle between polarizer and analyzer. If a polarizer and analyzer are perpendicular, one more polarizer is kept in between them, making an angle theta with the first polarizer, then I is equal to I naught by 2 cos square theta sin square theta. Energy of the radiation or photon E is equal to 12,400 by lambda in angstrom units. Answer is in electron volts. And stopping potential is equal to h by E into nu minus phi by E. H is the Planck's constant, h by E into nu minus phi by E. The relation between stopping potential and kinetic energy is V naught E is equal to half mv square. De Broglie wavelength when a charged particle passing through a potential difference lambda is equal to h by root of 2m vq. If wavelength of electron, wavelength of photon are equal, the kinetic energy of electron and photon energy ratio 2v by c. 2v by c. 23rd one, check it, this 23rd one may be doubtful. V square by 2c or 2v by c. The ratio of the kinetic energy of electron and kinetic energy of the photon is 2v by c. When a proton passing through an electric field, the de Broglie wavelength is 0.286289 by root v. Answer is in angstrom units. 24th one, wave number nu bar, that is 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. The distance of closest approach is d, then kinetic energy half mv square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Ze into q by d. Ze is charge of nucleus. R is the radius of nth orbit, r is equal to r naught n square by z. Z is atomic number. And 27th one, velocity of electron in nth orbit v is equal to v naught by n, where v naught is c by 137. Total energy of electron in nth orbit of hydrogen atom is 13.6 by n square. 13.6 by n square. Time period of electron revolving in nth orbit is t is equal to t naught into n cube. N is the orbit number. 30th, angular momentum of revolving electron MVR is equal to NH by 2 pi. The relation between radius of the nucleus and mass number R is equal to R naught a power 1 by 3. 32. Mass defect delta M is equal to ZMP plus A minus ZMN whole bracket minus M. Binding energy in terms of million electron volts is delta M into 931 MeV. The nucleus is split into proton and neutron. N01 gives high proton H11 plus electron plus neutrino. 35 splitting of nuclear fission of uranium nucleus. Uranium 92 to 35 plus slow moving neutron gives the barium 56 141 plus krypton 3692 plus 3 neutrons plus 200 MeV energy. Next, power of the nuclear reactor. 36th one, the relation between initial number and final number of radioactive elements. N is equal to N0 e power minus lambda T. 37th one, power of the nuclear reactor. P is equal to Ne by T. 38th one, efficiency of the half wave rectifier 0.406 RL by RL plus RF. The relation between emitter current and base current, collector current is IE is equal to IB plus IC. And 40th one, current gain beta is equal to delta IC by delta IB. And in common base configuration, alpha is equal to delta IC by delta IE. 41, electrons concentration and holes concentration relation N square is equal to Ne into NH. 42, voltage gain is equal to beta into RL by Rin. Power gain is equal to beta square into RL by Rin. Next one, GNR current IZ is equal to IS minus IL. Series resistor current minus load resistance current. According to De Morgan theorem, A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. And 46th one, A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. 45th one, A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. 46th one, A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. 47th one, efficiency of the full wave rectifier is 0.816 RL by RL plus RF. The distance covered by the antenna D is equal to root of 2 HT by R. The area covered is pi into 2 HT R. Modulation index mu is equal to amplitude of the message wave by amplitude of carrier wave, or voltage amplitude of the voltage of message wave by amplitude of the voltage of carrier wave. Okay, check your answers and practice again and again. You can achieve good marks. Okay.